Hello guys, welcome back to the Kotlin series. Today we'll learn how to create while and do while loops in Kotlin. So any kind of loop which we are using in any programming language is used to repeat a specific block of code until certain condition is met. So the syntax for the while loop is quite easy. Let's see. While test expression, and it has a body which is body of the while loop. So this test condition is a boolean expression here. If the test expression will return true, only then the statement inside the while loop will be executed. If it is evaluated to false, while loop terminates. Let's do the simple example of while loop. Let's take a variable I is equal to 0 while if this I is less than or equal to 5, then just simply print it and increment the value of I by 1. So here I is less than equal to 5, which evaluates to true, so it will execute the while block and it will simply going to print this I value and then increment it by 1. So let's execute it. And here we got the output from 0 to 5, as you can see. So what if the test expression is always true? Let's see. Let me remove this. While, and I'm going to give it a value of true, and let's see what will happen. Print ln loop and execute it. As you can see, the while loop executes a block of code to infinite times because it never gets false value, so it will never terminate. So just simply stop it. Now let's do while loop. In do while loop, the body of the do while is at least executed once before the test expression is checked. Let's do one example of this. And in this example, we will find out the factorial of a number using do while loop. Just remove this. Let's take a variable name num7, variable factorial is equal to 1, and define the do while loop here. And inside the do body, what I have to do, factorial into is equal to num, and then simply decrement the value of this num. Now check the condition. If this num is greater than or equal to 0, only then the control will go back to the do body, else it terminates. Print ln, and here I want to print factorial of 7 is $factorial. Let me explain this to you. The value of this num value is 7 here and the factorial is 1 here. We can also write this in an easy way. Factorial is equal to factorial into num. So both the statements are same. Either you can use this or this. So here the factorial is 1 and num is 7. So 7 into 1 is equal to 7, and this value of 7 is going to assign to this factorial variable. Now in this step, the num which is 7 is going to be decremented and it will become 6 here. Now this will come to this while statement and check the test expression for this. So for now 6 is greater than 0, it evaluates to true, so the control goes to do once again and this goes on. And the moment this test condition will become false, the loop will be terminated and it will simply going to print this statement. So let's execute it. And here we got the output. Factorial of 7 is 5040. I hope you find this while and do while loop easy. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching.